And I'm Russ. Welcome to another edition of Gohan Time Breakfast Edition. Today I'm making a meal known by several names, but most commonly known as egg in a blanket or egg in a basket. If you call it a different name, put it in the comments below and share with others. First thing we're going to do, we're going to start with a piece of bread. We're going to cut out the middle. If you want to get creative, you can use a cookie cutter or whatever, but today I'm just going to make it real basic. I'm just going to use the lid of a cup, stick it in the middle, cut around the edge. And this is what you want. You want something like this. I'm going to use butter in the pan. It helps from the bread sticking, and also the butter goes into the bread when it melts. What you want to do now is you want to brown the middle piece. I'm going to start with the middle piece first since it's smaller. If you have a toaster, you can use a toaster, but we don't have a toaster. You want to do both sides. You want to toast both sides of it. And you want to take the piece you cut out and you want to stick it in the middle, and you want to toast both sides of this too. Now you want to crack an egg and stick it in the middle. Hence the name egg in a basket or egg in a blanket. What you want to do is not flip it all, just let it brown like this. And you want the egg to cook inside the hole all the way through. So when you take it out, the egg is sticking to the bread. If you want, add your seasoning, touch of pepper. You want salt, Hiromi?
Yes.
And Hiromi likes salt, so she's going to get a touch of pink crystal salt. Eggs in a blanket. This is my egg in a blanket. One side is toasted, one side is not. And a balanced breakfast with yogurt, banana, and tea.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We would love to hear from you, so please leave a comment. If you haven't seen any of our other videos, please check them out too. Until we meet again, mata ne.